Hey guys, we put a titanium exhaust on this 992 GT3RS. Hey guys, it's Jim from Middleton Motorsports. I'm sitting here with Doug, one of our lead techs. We are going to be working on this 992 GT3RS. We just got back from COTA with it, and we're going to put a Fabspeed exhaust, catback exhaust on. This is how it comes from Fabspeed.
Oh geez.
That's kind of cool.
Oh. That is so light.
We're watching the video. Is that a good sign or not a good sign? What do? You pull that out?
Yeah, just like that and then press on the tab there and just pull back. Stick with the add blue because that's on me.
I'm always waiting for, like, I'm gonna unscrew something and the whole car is gonna fall off the lift.
Black light fan up.
£14 pounds. I bet it's 20. Jeez.
20 pounds in savings.
23 pounds.
Yeah.
In regards to which side of the vehicle they came from.
Yeah, there you go. So, now just tighten those ends.
They say it's like keep them loose but snug enough so they don't fall out. Okay, so it's the next day. Doug and I finished the install. Really, Doug did. I would tell you, and Doug, you can comment on this. I thought the fitment of the Fabspeed exhaust was on point. Like, we didn't have really any issues.
Yeah, there was no adjustments at all.
No
I mean,
adjustments?
It was just put it in here and it was just spot on.
I think the hardest part was probably getting the cat's app back in.
Yeah.
With, I mean, it's a little bit, you have to align it a little bit because they ask you to install it with the exhaust already hanging. So we're looking forward to getting out on the road. We're gonna do some runs, cold start here. And thanks Fabspeed for partnering with us. And look forward to seeing this on the track. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We're really excited about the Fabspeed titanium exhaust that we just installed on this 992 GT3RS. We're taking it up to Road America this weekend. Hopefully it's going to turn more purple, but you be the judge of that next time.